San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge, which will be the largest in the world, takes shape as steel spiders spin the cables on this $77 million structure. It bridges the largest body of water yet spanned. Huge spools of wire are needed. For more than 70,000 miles of it will be used in stretching the cable, enough wire to encircle the Earth 3 times. In 1937, the San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge will be completed, another of the wonders of the world. But until the San Francisco Bridge is finished, the Sydney Harbour Bridge still holds the world's record for the longest single span.